Man, what did you bring me?
Man, you have no idea, man. This damn thing right here. Apparently, you used to own it, so.
Yeah.
97 Del Sol, man. I got it for a good deal. So, as you know, I live in Charlotte. My buddy, he lives down here. I seen it posted in Raleigh. I said, man, I'm going to send you some cash real quick. Can you go pick this car for me? He said, yeah, sure thing.
So for you that don't know, this is Eli. This is my old buddy. We've painted quite a few cars on this channel, and most of the time he wrecks them a week later after they're painted.
Yep, that's right.
So yeah, he's come back from Concord with this fine specimen of a 97 Del Sol, and we're going to prep it and get it ready for paint. It needs a new door handle. It needs the bumper repaired on the rear right here. So I got to do some plastic welding, and yeah, so this will be a fun little blast from the past, because like he said, I painted this car, and I own this car almost 10 years ago. So we're going to prep it, get it ready for paint, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride. Alright guys, so I just used the heat gun. Me and Eli got this bumper off. What do you think?
Looking good, man. I'm really impressed.
So we used the heat gun. We actually heated it up. We pushed it back out, and I stitch welded it with this really cool stitch welder tool. Just plastic weld. It's pretty simple. You just push it in, squeeze the trigger. It heats the staple up, pushes into the plastic. You turn it, you release the trigger, let it cool down, and pull away. And then just cut the little heads off the staples, and you fix the bumper. So move along. Alright guys, so I got some body filler on the bumper now. Me and Eli are going to start getting this car sanded down, ready to go. And yeah, moving right along. Yeah boy, sand with that 320. Get it sanded nice and deep like. Hey man, what's going on with the hands?
Man, you know, I had a rough time with Papa Smurf.
Man, what you got? Let me see them hands. There you go, blue pearl hands. Alright guys, so it's the next morning. Me and Eli got a lot accomplished yesterday. As you can see back behind me, the bumper is in some filler, and the car is completely sanded down with 320 grit. So now we got to wet sand it with 600 grit. I got a little bit more body work to do on a few areas. We got to shoot some primer on a couple areas before we wet sand it. And yeah, we're hoping by the end of the day to get this thing ready for paint. He's got a door handle ordered that won't be here till tomorrow. So once we get that, I can sand it, get it primed real quickly, put it on, and yeah, hopefully we'll be ready. So we're going to keep on rolling. Alright guys, so we're moving on forward a little bit. It is now Sunday. We spent yesterday finishing all the sanding and getting the bumper prepped and ready, and now we got it all taped up and wiped down, and we're about to paint it. If you wanted to make this thing 100% perfect, you would obviously go back, high build it, block it out, do all that type stuff. This is a quick turnaround paint job, just doing it with my buddy, and I asked him, he said, no, let's send it. So I'm like, okay, we're going to send it. So anyways, guys, we're going to start mixing up some paint and a few, and then we'll get to spraying. Alright guys, it is now Monday the next morning. Eli went back to Charlotte yesterday, and this is the $70 smoke gray Rustoleum Del Sol paint job that we did in a weekend. We started this on Friday. He come out Friday afternoon. We got to work on it. I did the body work on the rear bumper. It was really bad. I had to fix it. We sanded it down with 320, then 600, cleaned it up multiple times, and then shot some Rustoleum on it, and these are the results. Are they 100% perfect? No. We did it out in the shop. We did a rush job on it, and we paid for it. It has a little bit of contamination in it, nothing that can't be cut and buffed out and stuff like that, and he does want to go back, do some other possible design work, clear it, add some pearls, and you can always go back and do that. But for all the work we did in the weekend, I had to pretty much pull the plug and say, hey man, this is a good stopping point. We got a lot done. Let's let it sit and cure out, and we can go back and do more with it later since it's going to be here. And you know, this whole weekend was more about having fun, reconnecting with a buddy of mine. Eli's been on the channel for, man, many years. We've done many paint jobs of his on the channel, all different types of deals, smoke gray paint jobs, pearl paint jobs, a little bit of everything. If you want to go back and look, you'll see his face on a lot of stuff. But just a good buddy of mine, really good guy, and it was a fun weekend, man. So I appreciate you coming out. But if you found this stuff informational today, guys, I left some tips and tricks. Take what you want from it, throw away the rest, you know, just to help you guys out and give you a quick guideline. But yeah, that's going to be it for me, guys. Let the paint job sit out and cure. With the hardener in it, in 24 hours you should be able to handle it. If you want to add pearls and clears and stuff like that, you can do it wet on wet, or you can give it a couple days to cure out after the fact. Go back, wet sand it lightly, 800 grit, and then add your clear, your pearls and stuff like that. So the possibilities are endless. This was just a basic $70 Rustoleum paint job, nothing fancy, just to kind of show you guys the simple side of it, and then you can take it from there and do what you will. But if you found this video informational, definitely leave me a quick like and comment. Helps me out tremendously with the algorithm. And if you're not already, please hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell notification beside it. You'll get notified every time a new episode drops. And rate the paint job, guys, 1 through 5, 1 through 10. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. I know it ain't perfect, but you know, some of you guys might like it, and I know a couple of you guys actually like the fact that it was on a Del Sol. So really cool paint job, definitely correct for the JDM tuner look. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching today. I'm John from WHITLEY Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next one.